What's up, everybody on YouTube? Just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2024 has gone. 2025 is bringing more, hopefully more brighter things for everybody. But without further ado, I'm doing a quick little unboxing and showing parts that I'm going to be adding to this new toy that I've gotten. And yeah, so let's just start with the box. And what's inside the box is a Glock 43X rail and front sight serrations, factory sights, which I'll get to in a minute. Empty. Magazine's empty. This one's full. Mag loader, just typical things with Glocks. But to start off with, as I just said right now, the sights are going to get upgraded. I will be getting, put this empty mag in. I will be putting on Trijicon DI night sights. They're the ones with the fiber optic insert along with the night sights. So for this one right now, it's showing green on all and then a black silhouette, which I do have the Trijicon yellow rings for the little insert that go into that actually lock in the fiber optic, and also the changeable fiber optic style. So it comes already factory with green ones, replacements, but I went ahead and got more, just to, and then the yellow, just to get more like different things, different styles, It's my first time as far as messing around with fiber optic sights. Usually I've always gone with just straight night sights and call it done. So this is something new, and I haven't seen too many on the market as far as, well, when they came out on the market, the DI sights from Trijicon, not a lot has been posted about it. So I'm, gonna give my, opinion once I do mount them and, see how it is and see how it goes. So I have that. I also have already opened the box for it, but I have a Streamlight TLR7X sub for the rail. I'll just go ahead and mount it on real quick so that way it's there. Nothing crazy, just snug for right now. But anyways, there's the light. It's on and off. It's plenty bright, for the compact. For the holster that I'm going to be using, it is the dang. I can't believe I went brain dead on it. But anyways, the holster is it's got the Velcro lining, and I'll get to that right now with it. And that's the holster. So that I have. I also have the Velcro lining spare mag for it as well. The ammunition I'm going to be running on this is going to be, sorry to get it out of the frame, the gun, Freedom Munitions 115 grain jacketed hollow point. So I'm going to be running that. The other accessories that I'm going to be putting on is, sorry about that in the background. Starting with slide lock, slide release, Vickers style. Everything Vickers pretty much is going to go on this gun for the most part, with the exception of like maybe, I don't know yet as far as magwell. Obviously Vickers doesn't make a magwell. I don't know, I don't even know if they make a plug for the for the back part, but yeah. And then so with that, slide lock, slide release, magazine release, and tango down flat facing trigger with bar for the Glock 43X, the slide racker for the back part of the Vickers, and reduced safety plunger. I don't know if you can see it or not right there. And the Ghost Edge, was I think 3.5 minus connector. Yeah, and you know, and that's pretty much it. So with the parts, the way the carrying style that I will be is also a different style. I'll be doing the Vortex fanny pack style, thus why I have the Velcro. Now I don't know yet if I'm going to be able to run the magazine on one side and then the gun on the other. I haven't yet figured that out. That's something I'm probably gonna have to play with. But I just got the spare mag holder just to even have, just as a, you know, you just never know. I don't know. And yeah, so that's what I've got so far. I know I should have probably went with the MOS, but at least in my area it wasn't available. I don't know. And yeah, so anyways, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's. Take care, go out and train, and yeah, have fun. All right now, bye.